Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching in less than 1 minute. Or what you want to do is go to the search here and search for Roblox. Click on your right mouse, click on open file location, and after that click on your right mouse here on this Roblox player. Click on open file location and then click again here on your right mouse on Roblox player launcher. Click on properties and go to the compatibility. Enable this option here and choose Windows 8 and then click apply and OK. After you do that, all what you want to do is try to click on it, and if it's still not working, click on your right mouse and try to open it as administrator from here. And if it's still not working, then you have to try to troubleshoot from here. Click on this option and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.